just like this. Hello guys, so we'll be learning a basic fingerstyle technique today, and for that you need only the thumb and 3 fingers. So these 3 fingers will be assigned to the first 3 strings. So the index finger will be assigned to the 3rd string, the second finger, the middle finger will be assigned to the 2nd string, and my 3rd finger, the ring finger, will be assigned to the 1st string, and the thumb will be dedicated for the first top 3 strings. For right now we'll be just playing this 5th string using the thumb while holding C major chord on my left hand. I hope you know C major chord. You should know that, right? So we'll be playing this thumb, the 5th string, and the fingers will play the first 3 strings. And you need to play the quarter note. So playing a note at every beat. So it will sound like this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get this one, you can actually shift chords and be a little funkier. Also, you can replace the 3rd beat with the slap and it will become something good, just like this.